Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched the first video. This is video number 2. So if you have not watched, please go and watch video number 1. So now let's start solving few more examples to get an idea. Print numbers. So this is a very easy problem. Let's calculate time complexity. For loop, print n. So we have a loop. Now we know that for loop takes n number of. So we have discussed this in video number 1. If you have not watched it, do watch. This print loop will also run n times. So n plus n equals 2n, and it will be n as we are going to drop the constant. So the complexity is on for this problem. And if I give you an easy example, let us consider. So suppose n is 5. Suppose n is 5 and I to n. So let me take I as a 1 and we are going 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. For n5 we iterated 5 times. And if n will be 10, so we will iterate 10 times. So it's linearly increasing. If we draw in graph, it's like this. As the n grows, time complexity grows linearly. So linear time complexity is when n grows, and so do the, with respect to the n, time complexity grows. So this is called as linear time complexity, and this is a good example for linear time complexity. Now let's solve question number 2. In question number 2 we have two loops nested, and then we are printing ij. So this is outer loop and this is inner loop, and this is the final print statement. So let us take an example. N is equal to 5. So we are running 5 times, and then again inner loop. So 1 to 5. So basically to this statement will be printed 5 into 5 means 25 times. So this is square of 5. So can I say that whenever we have outer and inner loop, this statement runs n square time with this logic? So whenever we have outer and inner loop, the time complexity will be n square, because for one outer loop it will run total n times. For second time it will again run for n times. So it will be 5 into 5. In question number 3 we again have two loops, but are they inner or outer loop? Are they like dependent on each other? No. So people may get confused that we have two loops. This loop will give n. This loop will give n. We again have two loops, but this time they are not like nested. They are not dependent on each other. They both are different loops. In this case they were nested loops, but now they are not nested, so they are not going to be n square. Let us calculate the time complexity. The logic is that, so for different statement operations or line of code which are not dependent on each other, example here they were nested, we are going to sum the time complexity. Like for this loop we have n, for this print statement n, for this loop again we have n, for this also we have n. So it will be 4n, and we are going to drop the constant, and in the end this is n, not n square. So yeah, these were 3 problems, and if you have any doubt you can comment out. Now in next video we are moving to our next concept,